In the last video, we have learned about how many types of hackings we have. But in this lecture, we are going to see how many types of hackers we have. So hackers can be classified into three different categories: black hat hackers, white hat hackers, and the grey hat hackers. So now let's first talk about what is black hat hackers. So black hat hackers are also known as unethical hacker or a security crackers. These people hack the system illegally to steal money or to achieve their own illegal goal. They find banks or other companies with weak security or vulnerability and steal money or credit card information. They can also modify or destroy the data as well. Black hat hacking is illegal. Now, what is white hat hacker? White hat hacker are also known as ethical hacker or a penetration tester. White hat hackers are the good guys of the hacker world. These people use the same technique used by the black hat hackers. They also hack the system, but they can only hack the system that they have permission to hack in order to test the security of the system. They focus on security and protecting IT system. White hat hacking is totally legal. Last but not the least, grey hat hackers. Grey hat hackers are hybrid between black hat hackers and the white hat hackers. They can hack any system even if they don't have permission to test the security of the system, but they will never steal money or damage the system. In most cases, they tell the administrator of the system, but they are also illegal because they test the security of the system that they don't have the permission to test. Grey hat hacking is sometimes acted illegal and sometimes not. So this is all about how many types of hackers we have. So this is the last lecture of this section. In this section, we have learned that what is hacking, what is ethical hacking, how many types of hacking we have, and how many types of different hackers we have in this world. So from the next lecture onwards, we are going to start our lab setting. So thank you for watching this lecture.